What? Oh, no, I thought you meant something else. Want to see me do it? Oh, fuck.
She has soap in her eyes.
Oh, why did you have the camera on? You still have it on? Wait,
Stop it. This is what we got for Easter.
Mom,
We like stuff like this, even though we're too old for it.
What?
See?
Is that yours?
Yeah.
I have something else there.
Teacup ride. The little people. And
Mom, take Motrin
Blow
from
Bubble
now.
Summer.
I don't have it. I am. Shit, was
It probably is. You're like the worst bubble blower ever.
Hold on.
Wait, let's turn off the lights for a second.
Wait.
Wait, how do you turn this off? Can you turn that off? And that one off?
How do you turn this off? Those big things on the end of the...
Turn it off, Summer. Your light.
Nipples? Oh, like a thing called
Hold on. No, this one. Turn this one.
You're gonna run.
Okay.
Alright. There are people sleeping over there. Ball madness. Ball madness.
Wait, here.
What is it? It's gonna come get you. Why? Attack all of you.